How to add a fade out in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the timeline where your clip is placed. Make sure the clip you want to fade out is already on the timeline. Now, move your cursor to the end of the clip. You'll notice a small white handle appears at the top right corner of the video or audio track. This is the fade handle. Click and drag that handle towards the left. The further you drag, the longer the fade out will be. This creates a smooth transition where your clip gradually disappears or the audio volume lowers. You can also add a cross dissolve transition to the end of the clip. To do that, go to the effects library, click on video transition, then drag and drop cross dissolve at the end of your clip. This will act as a fade out too, but with a slightly different style. Don't forget to play back the timeline and adjust the fade duration until it looks just right for your project. And that's it. Now you know how to add fade out in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.